Welcome to Bygrayps IAS. Today's topic: red kangaroo is the largest of all kangaroos. It's the largest terrestrial mammal which is native to Australia and largest extant marsupial. The uniqueness is that they are not territorial. They don't show any territorial behavior to show their land markings and all. And these kangaroos and TAMMAR wallabies can hop, that means bouncing leaps, faster with slight increase in oxygen demand. The TAMMAR wallaby is small macropod native to South and Western Australia. The next thing is that they are least concerned by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Importantly, they are nocturnal species, that means they are active during night time, and also they are herbivores. So these are the important points regarding this. The vertical takeoff and landing drone, and it gives an ability to launch, hover, land vertically like a helicopter, but also transit to horizontal flight like airplane. So this is what we want to show, a difference of different drone technologies and their difference in features. Here the 2025 Lancet Commission has stated that food systems are the largest violators of planetary boundaries that contributes to breaches in climate change, biogeochemical flows, ocean acidification, chemical pollution, and more. So, looking at this, the Commission emphasized that need to place social justice at the center of food system to transformations and calls for a shift towards a plant-rich diet. So this is what the report notes, that India's food systems perform poorly in terms of nitrogen overloading. So here they focused nitrogen overloading in India. Huntington's disease, it's an inherited, means genetically transferred, progressive neurodegenerative disorder. So that causes nerve cells in the brain to decay over time, which leads to decline in cognitive abilities and motor functions as well as psychiatric issues. So Huntington disease means it is related to neurodegenerative disorders and inherited disease. Okay. Here recently Western Ghats discovered a new species of spider that is belongs to PILIA genus of jumping spider at Madugundi village, named it as PILIA MALENADU according to its place and all. So recently lot of jumping spider related species discovered. So this is one of it. It is geography related topic. The port of HONNAVAR is located at the mouth of Sharavati river in Uttara Kannada district. Now it's regarding artificial intelligence technology, but the thing is that it is regarding Agentic AI. That means it's an artificial intelligence system that can accomplish goals with limited supervision. That limited supervision is what about this Agentic AI. It consists of agents, machine learning models, which mimics human decision making to solve problems in real time. Malapuzha River is the tributaries of river Kalpatipuzha in the state of Kerala. Emission heat record high according to UN. So it's a report of UN Environment Program Emission Gap Report. And this states that the emits or commitments to slash heat trapping pollution to would limit global warming up to 2.5 degrees Celsius this century. And this kind of target is nowhere near on us to avoid devastating climate impacts. Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory is the world's largest gravitational wave observatory. Remember, it is a gravitational wave observatory which have two numerous laser interferometers located 3000 kilometers apart, which exploit the physical properties of light and space itself to detect and understand the origin of gravitational waves. Another very important thing is that it's not an electromagnetic observatory. Here CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. It's an international agreement between governments. Aim is to ensure that international trade in specimens of wild animal and plants does not threaten the survival of the species. The CITES was drafted as a result of resolution adopted in 1963 at the meeting of members of the IUCN, the World Conservation Union. The FORTALEZA Summit, it refers to 6th BRICS Summit, took place in Fortaleza, Brazil in July 2014. The outcome was that established the new development bank and contingent reserve arrangement to provide financial support for development projects and to stabilize member countries' financial system. Eubiosis is a state of healthy balance in the body's microbial communities, particularly regarding the gut microbiota, where beneficial microorganisms outnumber harmful ones.